Cruising subbing loud, 15-inch speakers. Type of dude who got bitches stacked in a 6-seater. Drink brew, take shots in the pool of the reefer. Haters trying to compete even though I lose no war. Julius Caesar, hot-headed nigga, but not talking about a fever. Speaking the truth will always be my procedure. Finding it funny how bitches cry, trying to make me a believer. I tell her to chill, take a deep breather, quit passing lies. I'm a receiver, ignoring hoes makes my mind more clear. All those keeping it real, all those not keeping it real. Watch me disappear, even though I know y'all still going to hear, but I don't care. Y'all do what y'all do best, that is there. I understand I am rare. People like me you just can't find anywhere. And I roll blunts thicker than the flare. Now gonna freestyle from the head while my eyes are probably red. I know they glossy, and Louis what I'm flossing. Jordans on my feet, taste the concrete, and let me tell you the truth, what I speak. I'm probably at my peak, cause you know that I'm high, and I'm a type of dude who likes to stay fly. Yeah, I always stay fly up past the sky, but I'm not going too far, cause then you come down hard, and I'm gonna go hard. I'm going hard from the start, and I'm gonna tear shit apart. I'm a beast untamed, let me tell you. Yeah, no one is the same, fresh is the name, and I'm going hot, spitting flame, doing my thing. Everybody trying to jock, imitate, but they just can't be the same and duplicate. Go ahead and try to hate me and crash and Fino, coming from the street, which is Rose. Yeah, we pros, and we gonna do what we do, and get some swishers and roll. Call a bitch, and she's probably gonna blow, but not on the blunt until it's a roach. Yeah, I ain't a player, I'm a coach.